The mid-range Motorola Edge 60 Stylus is now officially official, and with an absolutely unrivaled price tag in India, it's turning heads for all the right reasons. If you're someone who loves pen-wielding smartphones but hates spending a fortune like you'd have to with the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, then Motorola might just have your dream phone. While countries like the US get modest options like the Moto G Stylus 2025, India is getting a true value king with the launch of the Edge 60 Stylus, scheduled to go on sale from April 23rd across Flipkart and major retail outlets, priced at just 22,999 Indian rupees. Now, let's clear something up. No, this is not the same device as the Edge 60 Fusion. Despite being in the same series, the Stylus edition brings its own identity to the table, starting with, of course, the built-in stylus, which the Fusion lacks. It's slightly thicker and heavier, yes, but that's the trade-off for having stylus functionality right inside your phone. Compared to the Fusion's 24,999 Indian rupees price tag, the Stylus saves you some cash, but does trim a few specs along the way, like a smaller 5,000 mAh battery, compared to Fusion's 5,500 mAh, and a reduced curvature on the display. But don't let that fool you. The Edge 60 Stylus still rocks a gorgeous 6.7-inch 2.5D POLE panel with a crisp 1.5K resolution and 120Hz refresh rate, pushing up to 3,000 nits of brightness, perfect for sunlight use. And even though it's slightly heavier at 191 grams due to the stylus, the vegan leather back with Pantone certified colors, surf the web in Gibraltar Sea, adds serious style and flair. Inside, the phone is powered by the Snapdragon 7's Gen 2 processor, which, while not top tier, offers reliable performance for daily tasks, gaming, and multitasking, especially when combined with 8 GB RAM and a generous 256 GB of internal storage. Plus, unlike many competitors in this price range, Motorola continues to impress by offering 68W fast charging, a feature that gets your phone back up to speed in no time, along with sleek 32MP selfie camera and a powerful dual rear setup, featuring a 50MP Sony Lisha 700C sensor and a 13MP ultra-wide lens. Sure, there are a few trade-offs, like Motorola only promising 2 years of Android updates and 3 years of security patches for this model, as opposed to 3 and 4 respectively on the Fusion. But given the lower price and stylus integration, the Edge 60 Stylus still delivers serious value. And let's not ignore the elephant in the room. It's almost unrivaled in India at this price, especially for those who want a stylus without spending Galaxy Ultra money. While there's no official word on international availability yet, we can hope Motorola brings it to European markets, potentially launching at €349 in France and around £269 in the UK, following the Fusion's existing footprint. However, don't hold your breath for a US release. Motorola doesn't seem to be bringing this model stateside anytime soon. Whether you're a creative mind, a student, or just someone who misses having that extra bit of functionality in your phone, the Motorola Edge 60 Stylus offers a fresh breath of innovation in a sea of sameness. It's giving premium, it's giving practical, and most importantly, it's giving you for everything you need to know about upcoming phones, unfiltered comparisons, and brutally honest opinions. Make sure you're subscribed to TechVerse.